Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Maiden Sereno.
How old are you?
I'm 39 years old.
Are you married or single?
Single, but I have a live-in partner.
Okay, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are she or he?
3 years, 12 years old, 9, and 7 years old.
Okay, what is your educational attainment?
Vocational.
Do you have experience to work as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. Here in Philippines.
For how many years?
2 years.
Can you tell me your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Washing clothes, ironing, taking care of children, marketing, sometimes car washing.
Okay. Do you have experience in taking care of children, including baby born?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if the children of your employer are naughty, how will you handle them?
I will play with them and I prepare food with them.
Do you have experience in taking care of eldest person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me what experience do you have?
I help her taking a bath and prepare her food, and I give her give medicine of that.
Okay, are you good in cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you cook?
Filipino food.
Okay, if your employer will need you to do cooking and he will teach you, are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will you do if you accidentally make a mistake with your employer?
I will say sorry for them, of my employer.
Are you willing to work in a big house?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you prove to your employer that you are a good helper?
I will show to my employer I'm honest and do my duties and responsibilities.
Are you willing to work without day off?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you consider yourself as a foreigner once you go to abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you sure that?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you agree that your employer has a responsibility if something's happened to you abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you prepared to work without using your cell phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Speaking of honest, how will you show to your employer that you are an honest person?
I promise to my employer that I finish my contract and I do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.